Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the 2020 Toyota Hybrid RAV4. This vehicle competes against the Honda CR-V, also the Kia Niro, and the Subaru Outback. So my question for today's video, should you wait for the 2021 Toyota Prime plug-in hybrid? That's what we're here to find out. So start off on the hood of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. It also has a pop rod. The engine here is a 2.5 liter, makes 219 horsepower, 206 foot-pounds of torque. It's paired with a CVT transmission. As this one sits, it weighs 3,770 pounds. You also can tow 1,750 pounds. Your fuel economy is 41 in the city, 38 on the highway, and 40 combined. Like I mentioned, should you wait for the 2021 Toyota Prime, which is a plug-in hybrid? It gets 39 miles of electric range. It also has 302 horsepower. So that's probably my better bet, is to get the 2021 Toyota RAV4 Prime, because it's a little faster, it has bigger battery. So in the front face of the Toyota RAV4, this exterior color is a Blizzard Prime, which is a $425 option, which I think is nice. I would definitely recommend getting this color. It does good with the actual black accent. Starting with these headlights here, Toyota made these headlights standard. You also have an LED daytime running light with an LED projector bulb with an incandescent turn signal. I'm not sure why they didn't do a full LED setup. Even on the upcoming Prime, you're going to also have an incandescent turn signal. You also have these incandescent headlights fog lights down here, lower part of your bumper. I just like the black gloss with this front painted aluminum bumper here with this aluminum grille. You also know that this is the hybrid trim because of the blue Toyota emblem here. We're going to take a look at the side profile of the RAV4. Side profile of the RAV4. Starting with these wheels, these are a 225/60 Michelin tire. They're actually good tires on the market. You also get this 5 spoke design with the black finish. You also have 4 disc brakes. And to know that this is actually the hybrid trim, you also have this blue scrub bar here with this subtle hybrid badge. My particular Tesla also had the sunroof with the two-tone roof up here with the mirror caps here. You also have this side LED marker here as well. Your wheelbase is 180.9 inches with an overall length of 180.9. But the CR-V that I just reviewed a couple days ago, you guys seen on the actual channel, is actually the CR-V is actually 2 inches longer, which is kind of weird because this vehicle looks a little bigger, and all-wheel drive is going to be standard on the hybrid trims here. Floating roof design here in the rear. We're going to take a look at the rear of the RAV4. Rear of the RAV4, starting with this rear spoiler back here. You also have your tail light up here as well. You also have this rear blade back here to keep your rear window clean. You also have this LED combination with an LED brake light with an incandescent turn signal, also with an LED reverse light. You also have your SEL badging here with your hybrid badge. You also have this black finish rear bumper with this painted aluminum finish back here. You also have your Toyota emblem with your RAV4 badging as well. Your cargo back here. For some reason, I'm just trying to figure out why the power lift gate is not working on my tester back here. But with all seats folded, you're getting around 37.6 cubic feet of space. With these we fold those seats down, you get 69.8. And Toyota also gives you a spare tire, which is nice. So you have to deal with a fix-a-flat kit. So get into the 2020 RAV4 Hybrid. Closing the door here. The door has a nice solid thunk to it. So to start off the RAV4, put your foot on the brake and press the power button here. Actually, it doesn't have a combustion sound because it's using the electric motors to start up the vehicle. Your materials here in your door panel is going to be a soft touch leatherette material. You also have this blue stitching. I think it's nice. Of course, blue is my favorite color. You also have this brushed aluminum door handle here with all your mirror controls here. And it's going to be express up, express down for all 4 windows. Kind of was expecting that at this price range for this vehicle. Unlike the CR-V, you didn't get express up, express down for all 4 windows. You only got it for the driver and passenger, which is kind of weird, but that car is a little cheaper. The RAV4 is a little bit more expensive. But your mirror controls, you also have your mirror controls here with your lock controls. You also have some function down here for your automatic high beams. You also have your dimmer switch, rear blade cleaner, heated steering wheel control with your tailgate release. For some reason, the tailgate release in this car, I'm not sure why is it not actually working. I'm not sure why it's not working, because at first it was, but then it stopped. I'm not sure if I turned something off in the settings or clicked a random button. Let's have the storage tray here. The upper part of your dashboard is going to be this soft ejected molded plastic here, which I think is nice. No more of that hard materials that Toyota's using. You also have this leather wrap steering wheel with your controls here for your automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, which is nice. You also have your cruise control setting here with your different modes for your radio presets. You also have your volume controls, voice command, the Toyota emblem, this 3-spoke wheel design with this brushed aluminum trim, which I think is nice. I also have this manual telescoping wheel with the good adjustability range, which I think is real nice. Turn signal stock, wind wiper stock. You also have these big knobs here for your climate control with this rubberized material. You also have the 8-inch Intune 3 system. It is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard for 2020. Going to the infotainment system. I'm going to be real brief on the interior here because I actually did a full Toyota review a couple months ago. I saw a volume knob and tuning knob. My bad, I have the AC blasting here because it's hot outside. You also have the projection, like I mentioned, with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which I think is nice, and also has the latest iOS 13 update in here. You also can look at your different trip information. Of course, this car hasn't been driven; it only has 5 miles on it, so the fuel economy is going to be a little iffy until you guys actually purchase the car. You also have this stability control switch here. You also have a high and low heated steering wheel. Heated seats for the passenger and the driver, of course. You also have this 12-volt with this USB port with this wireless charging pad. I'm sorry, this is a storage, my apologies, with this rubberized material. Your dashboard here is going to be kind of soft material, but in some places it feels hard. You also have this tray with your glove box is damp and it's not lined with felt. Decent sized glove box. You also have the shifter here that houses that CVT transmission. You also have trajectory with distance markers, and you also get rear parking sensors. You also have a sport mode with 6 gears to go through. You also have different modes here. You also have a trail mode, an eco mode. You also have a sport mode. It also shows up in the LCD display instead of having these traditional gauges here. You also have, like I mentioned, the sport mode, eco. You also have an EV mode, but it's not available because the battery doesn't actually have a full charge. And so I can show you guys the different modes here, but for some reason it's not showing up. Okay, anyway, some of that silver trim here with this leather wrap shifter. You also have 2 cup holders, and this is the key fob for the hybrid. You also have it's still in the plastic, so my apologies if the sun is glaring off of it, but you also have this lock, unlock, your tailgate release, and also have a panic mode. You also have your RAV4 badge in the back with the blue Toyota emblem here as well. I actually like this camera. Cadillac was the first company to produce the actual rear view camera mirror, which I think is nice. You can adjust it how you would like. You can also, let me see. Okay. You also have the auto. You can also turn the brightness up and down. You also can move the different function, which I think is nice. You also have the 3 universal car garage remote right there. You also have a sunglass holder. Like your lights in here are going to be incandescent. I'm not sure why Toyota didn't put LED lights. Just like in the RAV4, just like in the CR-V that I reviewed, they didn't. Honda didn't even give it LED lights as well. It's in here are really nice. I actually like the blue stitching that the seats have. Nice perforated seats, but unfortunately it's just heated, not cooled. The center console here is going to be nice and padded. I also have the storage in here. I apologize for the junk. This is just some stuff that you're using for the car. You also have 2 more USB charging ports in here, which is the fast charging. But overall, we're going to take a look at those back seats and see how they actually feel. And another thing is, if I forget, you also have a standard size sunroof. Not sure why they didn't put the actual panel sunroof on this particular trim. So getting to the back seat of the RAV4, the door opens semi-fully, kinda. You also have this soft touch leather wrap material with this blue stitching. You also have this brushed aluminum door handle with this high quality mirror switch here. A nice portion to rest your elbows here with this cup holder. I like this material down here with the funny speaker cover, but of course it's gonna be a hard touch plastic. So getting to the RAV4, closing the door here. The door has a nice solid slam to it. You also have rear vents back here with 2 fast charging ports down here. The floor is nice and flat. Toyota rates the legroom back here at 37.8 inches of legroom. You also get two cup holders here with a nice portion to rest your arms, and you can definitely fit 3 people across because the floor is nice and flat. You also have one mat pocket here. Unfortunately, I'm not sure where Toyota didn't give you 2 mat pockets. I think on the CRV either it was 2 mat pockets or 1 mat pocket. I really can't remember. But overall, we're going to talk about pricing for the RAV4. We're talking pricing for the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Base price starts off at $34,050. This also has some additional equipment, which is the XSE weather package, which is $375. And also you get the special paint color, which is $425. Also with a destination charge of $1,060. You get a grand total of $34,910. So unfortunately today I actually didn't drive the RAV4, so unfortunately the video is going to be a little short, guys. I actually drove the RAV4 in the past. It has a nice ride quality, quiet cabin, and is the fastest RAV4 current day as now, 0 to 60 with under 7 seconds. So my question I asked in the beginning of the video, should you wait for the 2021 Prime Hybrid? And my question is yes, you definitely should, because it has 302 horsepower. It's faster than this one, which only makes 219 horsepower. And also that the Prime gets a plug-in hybrid with only 39 miles of plug-in range. Give a special thanks to Wilford for providing with the vehicle. If you're in the market for a RAV4 Hybrid, come to South Dade Toyota and ask for Wilford. And this is my full review on the 2020 Toyota RAV Hybrid. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Driving Reviews, and please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll catch you all in the next video.